going on, guys? It's your guy Buff Coder, and today I have a quick tutorial where we're going to swap the value from two variables, two accounts in this case. All right, as you can see, we've already initialized a variable called John's account, which is holding the value of 10,000, and we've initialized a variable called Lisa's account, which is holding 50,000. We have our console log already set up, so we have a string called hello, and here's our console. Right there, we see hello. So let's go ahead and jump right into this. So what I want to do next is I want to set up a variable. I want to declare a variable called temp account. All right, like that. Next, I want to take temp account and I want to assign the variable John's account, which is holding the value of 10,000. All right. So quickly, the way I do this, I read it from right to left. All right. So I have the variable John's account, which holds 10,000, and I'm assigning it. Equal is our assignment operator, right? So I have the value of John's account, and I'm assigning it to temp account. The value of John's account, and I'm assigning it to temp account. All right. Next, I want to take John's account and I want to assign the value from Lisa's account. Like that. Same thing. The value of Lisa's account, I'm assigning it to John's account. I'm assigning the value of Lisa's account to John's account. Next, I'm going to take Lisa's account and I'm going to assign the value from temp account. All right. Like this. All right. Like that. Next, it's time to test. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take John's account like that, and I'm going to hit save, and we should have the value of 50,000, which we do, which was the value from Lisa's account originally. All right. Just in case that was a fluke, let's go ahead and try this again with Lisa's account. All right, and that should reflect 10,000 right there. So we have 50,000, which is John's account now, and we have Lisa's account, which is holding 10,000. So to recap what we just went over, we have two variables here. We have John's account, which holds 10,000. We have Lisa's account, which holds 50,000. We declared a variable called temp account. We took that variable and we assigned it the value of John's account, which was 10,000. Then we took John's account and we assigned it the value from Lisa's account. All right. Next, we took Lisa's account and we assigned the value from temp account. And then we ran our test. We console logged John's account, which reflected 50,000. And we console logged Lisa's account, which reflected 10,000. Hope I didn't go too fast. This was just a quick tutorial to just demonstrate how you can swap the values from two different variables. Hope you guys learned something, and I will drop more tutorials here shortly. Have a blessed one. Peace.
Chuki Beats.